Here's what you need to know about the writing test. There are 2 tasks in this test, and I'm now going to give a really brief description of each. Don't worry about specifics here. We'll cover things in more depth in later videos. For now, it's just the basics. Okay, in task 1, you'll have around half an hour to write an email about a day-to-day matter. In task 2, you'll have around half an hour to respond to a survey and persuasively explain your choice. You'll need to write about 150 to 200 words for each task. Are you with me so far? Remember, we'll get into specifics in later videos. For now, let's focus on some general points that apply to both tasks. You might be wondering how you'll be able to figure out your word count for each task. Do you have to count it yourself? Nope. The computer displays your word count at the bottom of the screen, and you'll be able to use spell check, copy, and paste, just like you're probably already used to. Another thing I want to point out. Unlike the speaking test, you won't have any separate time to plan your writing responses. Therefore, it's best if you don't just jump right in and begin writing when the timer starts. Take a few minutes to plan your response before you write. In fact, you'll be given notepaper and a pen during the test to help you with this. You don't have to make any notes if you don't want to, but it's something to keep in mind. You should also try to save a few minutes at the end to read over what you wrote. Trust me, using a bit of time to plan and review can really help strengthen your responses. Both tasks have a Next button at the top of the screen. This button is there so that you can skip to the next part before the time is up. You don't have to click Next to move forward in the test. When your time is up, the test will automatically move to the next part. And don't be too quick to click Next once you finish a writing task. Once you do that, you can't go back. And you won't be able to carry over the extra time. So the only benefit to clicking Next before your time is up is that your writing test will end sooner. If you have any time left over after answering a question, you might want to use it to check over your response. This was just a quick overview of the writing test.